Let's do prime factorization on a TI-36X Pro, but a faster way than a previous video that I did. Let's say you have a value of, let's say 24, which is a composite number and composed of primes to do the prime factorization. Prime numbers start with 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, not 8, not 9, not 10, but 11, and so forth. What are these numbers? They're divisible by themselves, or 1. So 4 is not a prime number because I can divide 2 into it, okay? And neither is 6 because 2 goes into 6 or 3 goes into 6. Okay, these are the numbers I use for the prime factorization, and 24 is the number that is composed by primes. And one way you can do it is this upside down ladder. 2 goes into 24, I know, 12. 2 goes into 12, 6. 2 goes into 6, 3 times. So 24 is composed of 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, or 24 is equal to 2 to the third times 3. That's a lot of work, isn't it? But if you type in 24, you go to Math, and you scroll down under Math menu to number 4, Pfactor, 24, do the prime factorization, and it gives you the same answer. 2 to the third times 3. Okay? So using the Pfactor on a TI-36X Pro will give you a much easier access to doing this prime factorization. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, please tell your friends, and I hope you have a great semester. Bye-bye.